Good morning. Hello, everybody. Good morning. My name is Santiago Villarreal. As you know, April 26 is the International Book Day that is today. I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite book collections. They are three books for National Geographic for kids. They are books full of fun facts about the world and space, about animals, for animals, food, and much more. Remember that it is very important to read at least 20 minutes a day. Reading is not only funny, it helps you develop your imagination, but it is also good for your brain to discover new words, to communicate better, and to know ourselves better. It is also help us learn stories that can fill us with inspiration and joy, stories full of hope that can help us when we feel sad or confused. I invite you to join the storyteller that my mother and I have every Thursday at 6 p.m. in Zoom. It is free and we have participants for many parts of the world. Now let's look at some of the funny and interesting facts from the books.